Tom probably won't ever do that. Tom probably won't ever do that. Tom promised me that he'd do that. Tom promised me that he'd do that. Tom said he could do that today. Tom said he could do that today. Tom said he'd be able to do that. Tom said he'd be able to do that. Tom said that Mary may do that. Tom said that Mary may do that. Tom said that Mary would do that. Tom said that Mary would do that. Tom says he can do that for you. Tom says he can do that for you. Tom says he'll do that for Mary. Tom says he'll do that for Mary. Tom says he'll do that tomorrow. Tom says he'll do that tomorrow. Tom says I don't need to do that. Tom says I don't need to do that. Tom says that Mary will do that. Tom says that Mary will do that. Tom should have done that sometime. Tom should have done that sometime. Tom shouldn't do that by himself. Tom shouldn't do that by himself. Tom thought Mary might do that. Tom thought Mary might do that. Tom told Mary that I'd do that. Tom told Mary that I'd do that. Tom told me he likes to do that. Tom told me he likes to do that. Tom tried really hard to do that. Tom tried really hard to do that. Tom used to do that quite often. Tom used to do that quite often. Tom wanted to do that tomorrow. Tom wanted to do that tomorrow. Tom wanted to help Mary do that. Tom wanted to help Mary do that. Tom wants to help Mary do that. Tom wants to help Mary do that. Tom was told he couldn't do that. Tom was told he couldn't do that. Tom wasn't told never to do that. Tom wasn't told never to do that. Tom will be too tired to do that. Tom will be too tired to do that. Tom will do that on Monday, too. Tom will do that on Monday, too. Tom will do that some other time. Tom will do that some other time. Tom will have to do that himself. Tom will have to do that himself. Tom will likely agree to do that. Tom will likely agree to do that. Tom will permit Mary to do that. Tom will permit Mary to do that. Tom will probably never do that. Tom will probably never do that. Tom will see if Mary can do that. Tom will see if Mary can do that. Tom won't allow Mary to do that. Tom won't allow Mary to do that. Tom won't ever be able to do that. Tom won't ever be able to do that. Tom won't let you do that anymore. Tom won't let you do that anymore. Tom won't likely try to do that. Tom won't likely try to do that. Tom won't tell me how to do that. Tom won't tell me how to do that. Tom wouldn't let anybody do that. Tom wouldn't let anybody do that. Tom wouldn't let anyone do that. Tom wouldn't let anyone do that. Where does Tom have to do that? Where does Tom have to do that? Who told you Tom wouldn't do that? Who told you Tom wouldn't do that? Who's Tom going to do that with? Who's Tom going to do that with? Why did you want Tom to do that? Why did you want Tom to do that? Why does Tom want me to do that? Why does Tom want me to do that? Why doesn't Tom have to do that? Why doesn't Tom have to do that? Why don't you get Tom to do that? Why don't you get Tom to do that? Why in the world did Tom do that? Why in the world did Tom do that? Why on earth would Tom do that? Why on earth would Tom do that? Why should Tom have to do that? Why should Tom have to do that? Why would Tom have Mary do that? Why would Tom have Mary do that? Will Tom be allowed to do that? Will Tom be allowed to do that?